tell me, how does NAD help to detoxify the body from mold?
Okay, so it's really interesting because glutathione and NAD are critical factors for our detox. NAD is like the fuel to make ATP for our cells. So it's critical for every cell in our body. And actually our mitochondria, which is the biggest marker of aging or anti-aging and the damage that happens to mitochondria. If we could prevent mitochondrial damage, we wouldn't age, we wouldn't get Alzheimer's, we wouldn't get any of these things. Unfortunately, we haven't figured that out exactly yet, but anything in that realm, NAD is one of those things that's actually anti-aging because it helps restore normal integrity of the cells and give us the fuel. But what we know is things like Aspergillus and Candida, any fungal species, they actually deplete NADPH, which is the precursor of NAD, and the currency for NAD. So that's why many people do better when they take NAD. It's a critical thing. And so mold is really nasty because it depletes glutathione and it depletes NADPH. And those are two critical factors in energy and detox and just the cellular currency. So giving those back is just very helpful in many cases. I usually start with either glutathione or, for those who don't tolerate glutathione, precursors. And you still need methyl donors and things like that. Precursors could be N-acetylcysteine, lipoic acid, liver support like milk thistle, vitamin C, glycine, glutamine. Those are all kind of precursors of glutathione. So some people don't do well on glutathione, but they can still take precursors. And then the NAD often comes in a little later because if someone's really, really sick and you give them a load of NAD, they're going to push detox so heavy they get more toxic and more sick, even if they need it. So NAD is great for the healthy person to start on. And if you're really sick, I often don't do that first. I do that a little bit into the protocol because it overwhelms the system. It's almost like it turns it on full blast and the body's like, whoa, what'd you do to me?
That's what a lot of people don't realize, that you can't just detox the body without actually having it in a place where it's ready. Mm-hmm. You got to get the organs of elimination going. You got to get rid of some things a little bit more gentler. And then you could start to turn on the spigot, right? And yes. NAD, if you just turn that on at once, people have serious reactions that you don't want in there.